Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up a Google form to be a quiz. The first thing you need to do is go to your Google Drive, click New. Inside New, you won't see it right away. You have to choose More, and then you'll see Google Forms and Blank Form. That'll open up a new one for you. Here's the editing page of my Google form. This is different from what the students will see when they get it. This is the page where I'm actually editing and adding questions. I'm going to type a title for it first of all. Grammar quiz 1. It'll automatically fill that in. I can say past simple verbs. That's going to be the name of my quiz. So setting up the quiz is this button up here, the settings button. This is where you're going to show the Google form how you want this to be presented to students and actually make it a quiz that's going to be marked. So let's open that menu. You'll see you get this settings menu with general, presentation, and quizzes. All three of these are important, so let's take a look at them. Collect email addresses you don't want. We don't really need to collect our students' email addresses. You can create questions that will collect their information for them. We don't associate them with their address as much. We don't want it to restrict users to Fulton Caboose University. I don't care if it's one response or multiple responses. If students have tech problems, sometimes it's good to let them do it twice if their internet goes down in the middle of a quiz or something, unless it's something quite official. I often let my students edit after they submit so they can go back and fix their answers. If they can see a summary chart and text responses, then they can see each other's work. I don't usually set that either. For presentation, I often show the link to submit another response if they want to take it again. You can also do shuffle question order to discourage cheating if you want to, if that makes sense. If you turn on a progress bar, it'll show a progress bar at the bottom if you have multiple pages. Here I'm going to put a message my students will see after they submit. Thank you. And then quizzes. We have to make this quiz by flipping this toggle right here. We don't deal with Chromebooks, so that's not important. I'll let them see their grades immediately after they submit. And I don't want them to see the correct answers. That's just asking for cheating. I would like them to see the point values. I just probably make everything 1. So now I have got the settings set up in my Google form for it to be a quiz. Here's where I'm making questions. And in the next video, I'll show how to actually use the buttons over here to make questions.